Hey guys, what's going on? It is Saul over at SUPP, bringing you another workout nutrition DIY video. Today I'm going to teach you how to make your own pre-workout. I'm a firm believer of not paying for off-the-shelf pre-workout. That's not to say I do not believe in pre-workout, I just don't believe everything they put in pre-workout is necessary. Before supplements could be bought in bulk, you basically had to head down to your local store and fork out a ridiculous amount of money to the middleman that separated you from the main supplement supplier. These days, things are a little different and a lot better. The internet and e-commerce 2.0 allows you to pick and choose what you want out of your supplement intake while giving you valuable feedback on what works, what's bunk, and what's changed, all through reviews. I've said it before in my guides, we are our own guinea pigs. So wouldn't you want to make sure that you're experimenting with the right stuff for your body? Now, those of you who have bought my guides, either SUPP Noble Whole Food Military Nutrition on the go or SUPP Noble Whole Food Military Nutrition at home, and have been either reading my blog for a while now or watching my YouTube videos, you guys know that I'm all about stripping away the inessential. Now, when I look at the ingredients list of what they put in pre-workouts these days, well, there's a lot of inessential. And if it's one thing that I make sure I do, it's not waste money. I think I'm kind of with Terry Crews on that one. Now, there's no single perfect pre-workout, as every batch should really be tailored for what you're looking to accomplish. And I find that in my experience, workout nutrition is one of the biggest things people screw up on. Now, personally, I change what's in my pre-workout mixes depending on what I'm doing that day. So if you're getting tired of shelling out for a one-size-fits-all pre-workout shake every 30 days, here's a bare-bones recipe I use, adding to it as I go along. The supplements don't cost much, and if you work out 46 days a week, they'll last you for around 2 months if you're buying decent-sized bags, as in not sample sizes. So this is the best damn bare-bones pre-workout formula. It makes one pre-workout drink. It should take you about just 2-3 minutes to make this, so it's real quick and easy. Items needed, a glass or anything really to put it in. For the ingredients, I'm going to do 2 grams beta-alanine, 2 grams taurine, 5 grams citrulline malate, and 2 grams malic acid, 1 effervescent vitamin C tablet, and 8 fluid ounces or 250 milliliters of water. Now for the directions, step 1, toss all your ingredients into a glass or shaker bottle, except the water. Step 2, add your water. Step 3, wait for the tablet to finish fizzing. That's pretty much it. You know what to do from here. Down it, get changed, and head to the gym. You're done. Now, there are a plethora, oh yeah, that's a big word, isn't it, of benefits to this pre-workout formula. As I've mentioned before, beta-alanine and taurine work as antagonists to each other and help with your strength, explosive strength to get specific. You'll remember I did a video a while back on how to increase punching power. If you want to check that out, the link is in the description below. Now, citrulline malate and malic acid help with the endurance side of things, helping you go harder for longer. I find it's always good to start with citrulline malate and malic acid and continue with it, as mentioned in my blog post over at the SUPP blog about intra-workout nutrition. If you want to check that out, the link is also in the description below. And lastly, the vitamin C tablets accomplish twofold, making all this taste good, because otherwise it's really tart. Alright, we're talking like Puckerville tart. It makes all this taste good while giving you an immune system boost just before you work out. Like juice concentrates, opt for the sugar over sugar-free version. Sugar-free usually means more chemical crap. Now, there's some conflict as to whether or not to take vitamin C around your workout time, as it diminishes testosterone, but I beg to differ. If you get most of your nutrition right, the effects of vitamin C against T are marginal at best. Always remember, keep it simple, stupid. And that is about it. If you like this video, share it, subscribe, and comment below. If you really like this video, but you don't have the SUPP guides yet, go ahead and buy them over at the SUPP website. The link is in the description below and up on the screen. They cost less than the shirt on your back, but unlike that shirt, the knowledge gained lasts a lifetime. Now, if you've already bought the guides, hey, thanks, then go ahead and check out the other gear in my shop. From nutrition supplements to apparel, you can pick up some whey protein for your next workout, new threads for that sleeve-splitting arms day, or something else that'll help you remember that when it comes to fueling and training your body, once you learn how to, where you are matters less. And every item, the material, color, style, ingredients, and quality are all handpicked by me, so if I want wear it, eat it, drink it, or read it, I will not sell it to you. It's that simple. If you go ahead and get the guides, you'll discover recipes with nutritional breakdown in each of the nutrition guides to make things nice and easy, and that's available under the snacks chapters, and previews of the chapters are available in the shop. With the workout guides, you'll get in-depth customizable workout plans with breakdowns of how to effectively and efficiently train your muscles no matter where you are. And all guides teach you how to eliminate worries or concerns about getting the nutrition and strength and conditioning you need to stay fighting fit for when you're deployed or at home. And that's it, guys. Drop by next time for another great video to add to your workout and nutrition arsenal. And most importantly, stop doing guesswork, start making the necessities of your life easier. Because if you know how to fuel and train your body, where you are matters less. That's it from me. Have a great weekend, whichever. Peace.